The BBR Threaded Bar family offers reliability, robustness, and ease of installation. Ideal for the most complex and technically challenging applications in the fields of post-tensioning, geotechnical anchoring, ground stabilization, concrete reinforcement, and underground works. BBR threaded bars are also applied during construction or retrofitting of bridges and buildings, as well as being used as hold-down bolts for structures such as wind towers. The BBR C Bar is a cold-rolled alloy steel bar with increased resistance to corrosion and an ISO-specified metric thread. With tested and proven high-fatigue performance, over 10 million load cycles at an 80 MPa stress range, it is suitable for use as a post-tensioning bar, hold-down bolt, or tie bar. The entire bar and associated components are CE marked according to EN 1090.1. The BBR C Bar's unique thread properties facilitate a reduction of stressing losses, in particular for short-length bars, making them ideal for post-tensioning applications. The threaded length can also be customized to achieve either partially or fully threaded bars. This threaded bar is also incorporated into the BBR WT bar, which additionally features a robust multi-layer corrosion protection system ideally suited for hold-down bolt applications. The BBR H bar is a high-quality, hot-rolled steel coarse threaded bar with the widest range of bar diameters and steel grades on the international market. It has a specially designed continuous, robust thread for all environmental conditions, making it suitable for cutting or lengthening with couplers at any location. Complemented by a full range of accessories, the BBR H bar is ideal for the most complex and technically challenging construction and underground projects and is suitable for post-tensioning, geotechnical anchoring, concrete reinforcement, and temporary as well as permanent work applications. Thorough, independently verified laboratory testing to international standards and guidelines has been carried out on all BBR threaded bar technologies. These tests include both axial static and fatigue testing, where exceptional industry-leading fatigue resistance has also been proven. Uniquely in the industry, BBR's extended triple-stage quality assurance procedures ensure that only the highest quality products are delivered to customers and are ready for immediate use. Further information about the whole BBR threaded bar range can be found on the BBR Network website, along with details of your local BBR Network member. Contact us today to see how BBR can help you to always stay one step ahead.